Today we will see what are common factors and how to find common factors. The definition says that common factors are the factors that are common to two or more numbers. Got it? Example: common factors of 8 and 14. We already know how to find factors of a number. We know that factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4 and 8. Also, factors of 14 are 1, 2, 7 and 14. Observe here 1 and 2 are the factors that are common to both 8 and 14. So, common factors of 8 and 14 are 1 and 2. Got it? It means that 1 and 2 each divide both 8 and 14 exactly. Got it? Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.